The world looks at billionaires with curiosity. How did they get to the height of success? What makes them different? Why are they geniuses? Tonight I'll share with you the story of one such billionaire, Elon Musk. He's become the world's richest person with a net worth of $188.5 billion. $188.5 billion. And he's unlikely to stop there. This 49-year-old billionaire is making inroads into every sector. Aerospace, telecommunications, transport, healthcare, infrastructure. Elon Musk is taking on everything. And so far, all his bets are paying off. Here's his story.
He is a hard-working innovator, an inspiration to budding entrepreneurs. Sometimes a Twitter troll, but mostly a man with a plan. Elon Musk has now added the biggest feather to his cap. He has become the richest person in the world. The Tesla chief has surpassed Amazon's top boss Jeff Bezos to clinch this title. He now has a net worth of more than $188.5 billion. This is $1.5 billion more than Jeff Bezos. How did he do this? Much of the credit goes to an 8-fold surge in the shares of Tesla last year. In 2020, Tesla became the world's most valuable car maker. The surge has boosted the personal wealth of Elon Musk, who owns a 20% stake in his company and about $42 billion of unrealized paper gains on vested stocks. According to Bloomberg, Tesla shares went up a further 7.4% on Thursday to reach a record high of $811 billion. But Tesla accounts for only a fraction of Elon Musk's wealth. The 49-year-old billionaire owns and is developing some of the most futuristic companies in the world that will further increase his wealth. In the aerospace sector, Musk owns SpaceX, a rocket company that is planning to build a freeway to Mars by reducing the cost of flying a spaceship to a fraction. In the telecommunications sector, Musk is developing a satellite internet constellation known as Starlink. This could revolutionize how we go online and provide fast and affordable internet. In the energy sector, Musk owns SolarCity, a project that will make solar power mainstream and pervasive. In the transportation sector, Musk has proposed the Hyperloop, a fifth mode of transportation that could convey people or objects at hypersonic speeds. In the infrastructure sector, Musk owns the Boring Company, which aims to develop safe, fast-to-dig and low-cost transportation tunnels. In the healthcare sector, Musk owns Neuralink, which is developing high-bandwidth brain-machine interfaces that will link the human brain directly to computers. Elon Musk is literally taking on everything. And so far, most of his bets are paying off. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.